Hi guys, so Snap paper number 1 is over. So this give us a very good idea or very good target setting for the next SIMB exam, which is going to be in January. So in this video, we'll talk about the complete process for the Snap exam and set up your targets for the January SIMB exam. So this is the cutoff, expected cutoff from the SIMB based colleges. You can pause the video and check out as per your category and which colleges you are interested in. As per that, look at the percentile. This is a percentile wise cutoff, not the score based cutoff. Because SIMB always give you the score percentile based cutoff. So for all the category, the cutoffs are here. Yeah. Now based on the snap which happened, this is my expected cutoff plus minus 2 marks. Okay. Now 99.5 percentile will be around 95 marks. So it can go plus minus 2 marks. 99 is 40, 42. 90 will be 38 to 40. So that should be your target setting. So your target score is 40 plus score, attempt nahi, for 98 percentile. And if you want a good college, your target should be 98 percentile for SMHRD and SIBM. Then 90 percentile for SIB and SIBM Bangalore. And 80 percentile for the rest of the good colleges. उसके बाद 70 पे भी कॉलेज है, 60 पे भी कॉलेज है, हर एक कॉलेज तो मिल जाएगा. But 98 percentile, 90 and 80, these are three benchmark numbers. So 98 percentile, 38 to 40 marks, 90 percentile, 30 marks, and 80 percentile, 26 marks. So these should be your three targets for your January SNAP exam. Now for next year, we don't know the pattern will remain same or not same, so we can't predict anything for next year. So for the next year student, those who are thinking from the next year point of view, we have to wait and watch for that कि कितने mark का paper होता है. Then accordingly the percentile will come. Otherwise comparatively paper was quite easy. And this is the revised college list, colleges to apply. So SIB have also changed their dates to January 8. यार एक बार ना ये dates check कर लेना यार, because ना बहुत confusion है यार. एक side पे X लिखा है, दूसरे पे Y लिखा है. For example, SIB dates are over for a particular program, but for some other program it's still open. Like that ऐसा बहुत confusion है. तो please एक बार आपकी dates check कर लो for the colleges you want to apply. As of now, SIBM Pune and SIBM Bangalore dates are over. बाकी सबका date अब बाकी है. या तो स्नैप 1 इज आल्सो ओवर. सो जनवरी 6 and 9 उसके बाद SMHRD का डेट आएगा, सबका डेट आएगा. सो फॉर SMHRD सिंपल ऑब्जेक्टिव इज 40 नंबर आपको चाहिए. अगर तो आपके मॉक में 30-35 टच हो रहा है तो देन कैरी ऑन. ओके, exam is slightly easier than our mocks. In case you want to join our mocks program, you can call us, and there are a lot of questions, especially in quant, which have come from our mocks as well. So looking at the syllabus point of view, so this is the syllabus for the SIMB exam. From the verbal point of view, no RC at all. Vocabulary, fill the blanks, most of the question, antonym, synonym, speech, grammar based question, idioms, parajumble. There's no RC, but I want you to do RC. या मेरे को फॉर एग्जांपल एक स्टूडेंट का मैसेज आया कि सर अभी आरसी निकाल दो फ्रॉम द मॉक्स. नहीं भैया, अभी आ सकता है आरसी, तो यू शुड बी प्रिपेयर फॉर आरसी. तो यार आरसी नहीं आया तो क्या होएगा, पेपर इजी हो गया, जैसे तक क्या होएगा, पेपर इजी हो जाएगा. ठीक है, बट आरसी तो करना ही पड़ेगा. Yeah, this is from the logic point of view. Every different type of question have come here. Verbal reasoning, 5 questions. Then traditional logic, almost 10 questions. Modern logic, almost 5 questions. And puzzles, 5 questions. So they have given you the topic. From every topic they've given you questions. So you have to open up the books and go through everything. Okay, so those are going for the CET exam, black book is more than sufficient. Alright. From the maths point of view, this is your syllabus. Arithmetic, भर के. Modern maths, geometry, numbers, you have to do everything. But mainly arithmetic आपने संभाल लिया तो हो गया. Now DI was only one question, but does not mean इस बार भी DI question आएगा. DI का question can increase. Okay. और थोड़ा तो change आएगा ना यार. They are giving you 20 days का time, तो obviously they will improve something. Change the pattern. By change the pattern, I does not mean the number of question change होगा. By change the pattern, I mean they can change the number of type of question which are coming. So best way to perform is now mock strategy. Give as many mocks as possible. In your login ID, we have around 18 to 20 mocks. अब बस दिन का एक mock दे देते जाओ. Even if you're preparing for CET, you're preparing for the other exams, साथ साथ में snap का daily 1 mock या 60 minutes का तो पेपर है यार. 1 घंटा कहाँ निकल जाएगा तुम्हें भी पता नहीं लगेगा. So give as many mocks as possible. They're the best strategy you can have. So we're launching a mock series. In case you want to join, you can call the numbers in the description box. Okay, so this is going to be final strategy from the SIMB exam. Put a timer for everything. 25 question, 25 minutes. And target score is 18. Quant 20 question, 20 minutes, target score is 12. And verbal 15, target score is 10. Your net target score should be 40 plus. For that, you have to attempt 50 plus. या मेरे को 2-3 स्टूडेंट ने बोला कि सर मेरा अटेम्प्ट 42 है, मेरा ऐसे भी पुणे होगा. यार 42 अटेम्प्ट है तुम्हारा, थोड़ा तो एक्यूरेसी का प्रॉब्लम आएगा ना. Assuming your 80% accuracy, your score will be around 32 प्लस नेगेटिव मार्किंग में भी काउंट नहीं कर रहा हूँ, तो SABM नहीं मिलेगा, SIB तक आराम से मिल सकता है. सो योर अटेम्प्ट हैव टू बी गुड. अटेम्प्ट ही कम होगा तो कहाँ जाओगे. सो वी आर गेटिंग अराउंड 15 days का टाइम टू सेट अप पेस फॉर द नेक्स्ट स्नैप एग्जाम. So let's work hard for that. This paper was very simple. Does not mean अगले वाला पेपर भी simple आएगा. And cutoff can change according to that. Alright, all the best.